Hey guys, this is Jorge Jalapeño and we've just finished a new project. Let's go check it out. We just finished this project here. It's a 6-foot board-on-board fence in Japanese cedar. It's a number 2 Japanese cedar. We got the more of a darker stain on it. It's got the double trim. And here's the kicker, it's got a sliding gate. Let's go check it out. And check out this work here. We got the kickboard on the bottom. We got the double trim up here. She wanted the double trim. This is 6 foot tall. It looks taller. And we're gonna, as you can see, the kickboard protects the pickets down here. And let's go take a look in the front here. Watch our steps. Customers loving this fence. And now here is the kicker. Here is the meat, the bones, everything, the sliding gate. Let's check it out. But before, and I'll run the B-roll and you'll see in the B-roll what it looked like before. Here it is how it looks before. 4-foot deep hole, and that's going to be for the main post. Sliding gate's going to go actually that way. That's why we're digging that right there. And now here how it looks after. And we got rid of the old fence that was here. The old fence was here. You see these right here? This is where the old posts were right here. This way, this line right here, that's where the old fence line was. And it was an old fence that came this way and this way. And now look at it. She got this all this room now. And the great thing is the sliding gate. Look at this sliding gate. We put in the sliding gate, the rail. We welded all this in. Handle. We even put the concrete footer there. Look at how easy this is. I'm barely doing it. Look at this. Come over here. Nice and closed. Bam. There you go. Check out that sliding gate. Amazing. And look how easy it is to open. And we will put our motor on this later. Open it up, and we're just gonna easily slide it with one hand. I'm barely pushing it. Barely pushing it. There you go. So guys, this is Jalapeño Fence Company. We take pride in our work. If you need a sliding gate, you need a fence like this, you want to transform your yard into something just totally different now. This whole yard looks so different. Jalapeñofence.com. Check us out. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. We're everywhere. We are it. Jalapeñofence.com. Check us out. My name is Jorge Jalapeño, and I'll see you on the next one.